Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn on Face ID for apps on your iPhone. Now this is a quick and easy process. You first want to head into your settings here on your home screen, and then you want to scroll down until you see Face ID and passcode, and then you want to tap into that. You will need to enter your iPhone's passcode, so you need to enter that here. And now you've entered the passcode, you'll be able to enter Face ID and passcodes. And on this page, you'll be able to see other apps. And you want to tap into this here at the bottom. And these are all your apps that have requested to use Face ID. Now, if you'd like to turn on Face ID for any of the apps, you want to toggle the button here at the end of the app. And as these are all currently green, these are all tabbed on, and Face ID is allowed to be used by these apps. And now you can come back out of this and come back to your main iPhone, and you'll have turned on or turned off Face ID for these applications. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.